Alright, it's Sunday, October 28th, Lake Norman Yacht Club. I guess the order is 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4. And there's definitely pressure all over the place. Nice roll, flatten wasn't so hot on 8. I think everybody likes the pressure on the left side. If 8 doesn't get that boat down, I'm going to have a heart attack. And Luca needs to move on her own without being told, get the boat down. And Sully needs to scream. So same story over here. This boat needs to be hiked flat. Both kids are hiking, but I think it could be better. That looks good, nice and flat. That's it, there you go. A little shifty, puffy, gusty. This needs to be a full hike, and they are fully hiking. I like that. Shoulders need to go out. Nice. That boat ain't flat, but hey, what can you do? Ease the main and get it down. That's it. Let's get a little close-up of this. So all you can do is ease that main and feather it up a little bit. It's tough when you're light and get a big breeze. Doing a nice job there. Doesn't seem to be as much pressure. I think Sully in 8 is pinching a little bit. I see that jib luffing way too often. That needs to stop. I think 8 is in a header and probably should tack. 10 is lifted. Need to work on that. Let's see if 10 going right can do well. I don't see any pressure on the right now. We'll see how they do.